I was really stressing out trying to figure out how we were going to make all this work. We're building cloud-native apps and microservices every day, and we're migrating apps to the cloud too. We need a plan to support communication across cloud regions and availability zones. At the same time, we can't move everything off-premise, so we're looking for a long-term hybrid cloud deployment. And how do we connect and optimize data flow between the different environments? Then there's IoT and mobile device connectivity to consider. And we have all these enterprise requirements like low latency and high availability and disaster recovery and governance. And we're using multiple different message exchange patterns like request reply and queuing and publish subscribe. And we're streaming for big data ingest. And then we've got developers using a patchwork of different tools like Kafka and RabbitMQ. And frankly, it's all a mess to me and it was really stressing me out. But honestly, I'm starting to feel a whole lot better about the situation. I'm getting clarity on a viable long-term solution. Actually, it's much better than viable. These guys do enterprise messaging. They have a platform called PubSub Plus that supports publish subscribe and queuing and request reply and streaming, and all the open standards and APIs we want to use for different use cases. It's available as hardware, software, and as a service. And it's all interoperable, so we can mix and match various deployments to suit our needs. It can also be deployed in all of our environments, on-premise, in public clouds, and in private clouds. And it's all enterprise grade, with near limitless scalability, rock-solid stability, low latency, and with high availability and disaster recovery built in. In short, we can connect all our apps in all our environments over any protocol on an enterprise-grade messaging fabric. And you can too. In fact, and this is more likely for your developers, you can get started for free. Seriously, they're giving away a fully functional version of their enterprise-grade messaging software, limited only in terms of connect count per instance and rate limited to 10,000 messages per second. It's free to try, it's free to evaluate, and it's free to use in production, and it's fully licensed for commercial use. You can download it from Solace's dev portal, the AWS Marketplace, or the Docker store. So save yourself some stress and get started today.